Josh,
Tom, hello.
we are here at the end. Not of all things, but of the Disney100 exhibition at the XL Centre.
Yeah.
And we thought we'd give people a quick tour of the shop, of the merch. Well, you've picked out some stuff.
Picked out some stuff already, but got some large boxes of Disney100 Funko Pops.
Yeah, I guess these are designed for the weirdos who keep their Funkos in the boxes.
Yeah, like, some of these are like there's like moisture within it, which is a bit concerning.
Yeah.
And you got something I picked up, which is the Disney100 Years of Wonder Trivia, 100 questions, 100 years. Question for every year. You've got mini Funkos, you've got Star Wars Loungefly blind box pins.
Don't agree with that. Pin badges of Loungefly bags. That's where we've got to.
Put a Loungefly bag on your Loungefly bag.
On the Disney merch front. You know, I'm someone who could be tempted by a Funko if I see a cool one out in the wild, but none of these are that.
Got like some baby style Disney100 squishmallows.
I thought these might be the new, what are they called? The Noomy things they do in the parks?
Zoom Zooms?
No, not Zoom Zooms, no.
They're called squishmallows there, aren't they?
Now these are some nice plushies, it has to be said.
Should be for the price.
Oh yeah. Oh my goodness me. I think these are the best plushie Mickeys, Josh.
I think they are. I think Steamboat Willie as well. Little hat on.
Whether they're 50 quid good is another question.
That is a tough one.
Thumper down there, he's quite nice. Is that Thumper? I guess it is, I don't know. I must admit, I'm not sure. So non-knitted is £10 less?
Yes, only £40.
Only £40. £60 for Funko Advent Calendar though makes £50 knitted Mickey seem quite reasonable in my opinion.
Yeah, I think you should get one.
Got some hoodies here in various colours. £60 seems a bit much for a hoodie to me.
£30 for the t-shirts.
Well, they're quite good.
Yeah, I think these ones are probably the best adult ones.
Yeah, I quite like that design.
Yeah. Well, you should. You've just drawn it for the last half an hour.
Yeah, I got some of the colours wrong, I guess. Although I would argue that they're the ones who've got the colours wrong, Josh, because Tinkerbell is wearing blue. I'm pretty sure she wears green.
It's almost knockoff. It's almost knockoff. That's how bad the colours are.
It really is. Josh, you've identified a nice mug here. Nice design on that. Yeah, big fan. I could be tempted. As someone who's now looking for a home for themselves, all of a sudden I'm going to have more mug space.
Yeah. I like this one. This is nice.
You're not tempted by any of these?
I don't like the material in this one, to be fair. It's a bit coarser.
Oh yeah, it's a bit rough, isn't it?
Yeah.
Could be softer, could be
The
softer.
material on that one's nicer. But I actually think this one down here, this kid shirt, is the best design.
Oh yeah. How old do the ages go? I've been known to squeeze into like 13 to 14 before.
7 to 8.
I think that might be a struggle, even
I
for
got
me.
to 9 to 11.
Oh, okay, now we're talking.
It's just sort of generic.
None of these, Josh, do you fan? Oh yeah, this is just quite generic stuff.
Yeah.
Star Wars. Socks. Marvel socks. You're partial to a beanie. One of these beanies, the Groot one's quite nice.
Groot one's quite cool. Actually, I mean, I wouldn't wear it, but I like the attempt at the Ahsoka styling.
Yeah. Some more generic stuff over here. It's all a bit Primark and Paper Chase over here, I would say.
Yeah.
Not that there's anything wrong with Primark and Paper Chase, but you know, that's what I've been in Primark and Paper Chase, Josh.
I'll tell you what, Tom, the £50 for the knitted Mickey doesn't look so bad compared to the £45 for this one.
It's true. Maybe I should get knitted Mickey. I think this might be the highlight of the shop, Josh. Nice selection of posters.
Great selection of posters.
I think I would lean towards the spirit of adventure and discovery up there. Second from the left on the top row. What about you?
I'm an interventions kind of guy, blueprint style.
Ah, yeah. It's like the opening credits of the Imagineering story.
Yeah, exactly.
Tempted to add it to your haul there, of your trivia and your top trumps.
I might do that.
Oh, he's going in. He's going in.